Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. We shall look at some simple movements for the shoulder complex. Use a chair and maybe a couple of blankets. To begin with, lie on your back, rest the legs on the chair. Allow the complete spinal muscles to relax. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should smoothly, gently expand, and as we exhale, it should contract. Chin towards the chest, sensitize the back muscles to the breathing. Raise your right leg up. Pull the kneecap. Stretch the heel, that is toes towards the knee. Tighten the quadriceps. Feel the stretch in the calf muscle and the hamstring. Feel your gluteal muscles. And also the back muscles. Relax the right leg. Chain, left. Pull the kneecap. Breathe consciously. Da. Right leg again. Right leg straight. Ensure that the base of the spine is well seated. The base of the spine should not take off the floor. The hamstring muscles have a vital role to play in the health of the back. Chain, left leg. So as you exhale, contract the abdominal muscles a little more than normal so that some of the stabilizing muscles would get properly activated. Down. Right leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest, chin towards the chest, strike the heel, tighten the inner corners of the right knee. Release the right leg, chair, left leg, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. Breathe consciously. Release the left leg. One more time, right leg. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee towards the chest. This simple stretch will help the gluteal muscles, especially the gluteus minimus and medius muscles. Also watch the posterior surface that is resting on the mat, that also responds to your inhalation and exhalation. Release right leg, chain, left leg, fold, hold the knee, put the knee closer to the chest. Ensure that the knee does not go out of plane. Release left leg. Now right leg up. Fold right leg. Hold the ankle joint from left hand and pull the right heel closer to the root of the left thigh. From right hand, gently push the right knee. Do not allow the pelvic rim to rotate. Your inhalation and exhalation should be slow and steady as we inhale and exhale. Feel the base of the spine. Chain. Left leg. Hold the ankle joint from right hand, pull it across the right thigh and then push the knee. tighten the inner corners of the left knee. Release the left leg, right leg again. Fold it across, push the knee, release the right leg, chair, fold left leg, watch the base of the spine. So all these postures are simple preparatory postures that will help to mobilize the core muscles for proper action. Now release left leg, slowly get up, sit upright, the shoulder joints are one of the most mobile joints that we have. Principally, you can see the forward movement or flexion of the shoulder joint, the backward movement of the arm or the extension, and sideways movements or adduction and abduction. Using a chair, it is possible to give all these type of movements. So first, we'll do some of these movements in the sitting posture, then we try to look at as to how to increase these movements. So keep the chair oriented this way. Sit on a blanket. Sit upright. Hips on the blanket, legs on the mat. Rest the wrist on the chair. Give a gentle push to the chair. Adjust the distance so as to get a good stretch. Then slowly back. Lift the arm. Breathe well. rest on the third chair, arms straight. Breathe well. You can learn to consciously slide the shoulder blades downward and then move them closer to the spinal column so that the chest will don't stretch the shoulder blades up. Shoulder blades glide down but stretch the upper arm. Now slowly come on. This is one simple way to give the flexion. Then sit upright to position the chair sideways. Take your left hand up on the chair, then raise it up, keep it on top of the chair, and rest the wrist on top of the chair. Keep the arm straight, then slowly bend towards the left arm straight. Slowly come on. Chair. You can change the either your sitting position or the chair. Rest your right wrist on the chair. Rest it on top of the chair. That is, wrist on top of the chair. Chest and navel up. Inhale, exhale, slowly bend forward. Arms straight. Feel the shoulder complex. Now slowly come up. This is about the sideward movement. Now sit with your back to the chair. Shoulder joint, although they have a very good range of movements, when it comes to stability, they are not as stable as, say, the hip joint, which is also a hip and socket type of joint. Therefore, all the shoulder movements, especially in the beginning, one has to be careful to understand the flexibility, strength and stability of the shoulder joints. And one has to be careful in the beginning. With practice, you can increase the intensity. Now sit upright, take your arms back, and then hold the bottom rib of the chair, then open the chest. This is a simple movement for the shoulder extension. We'll open the chest. Always remember to breathe consciously. Breathing should be slow and steady. Release the arms. Stand in Tadasana. Rest the wrist on top of the chair. We shall look at some simple movements in the standing posture. Walk back, foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel. Pull the kneecap, arms straight. Straight the arms. Chest up. Now gently flex the knee as much as possible and thrust the chest downwards. Now feel the stretch in the shoulder blade. Slowly come up, straighten the legs. One more time, inhale, exhale, flex the knee and move down. Keep the arms absolutely straight. Do not flex the elbows. Slowly straighten the legs. Then walk forward. Shoulder joint, we should remember that they don't act in isolation. There are several other intricate joints. The actual shoulder joint is here, which is called as the glenohumeral joint. Then there is this clavicle or neck bone, and there is the acromion. So there is the acromioclavicular joint. Then with the sternum there is a joint here, which is called as the sternoclavicular joint. Then we have the shoulder blades here. So whole system should work in a very coordinated way. So these simple movements with the support of the chair helps to mobilize all this intricate system in a safe manner. Now rest the right wrist at the center of the chair. Walk back. Keep the right arm straight. Both legs straight. Then drop the left shoulder down. From left hand, try to grasp the right ankle. Don't sway the hips sideways. Stabilize the legs and the hips. And now feel the right shoulder complex. ensure that you do not flex the elbows. You have to press the wrist and take that load of the trunk on your shoulder joint. Now slowly come up, walk forward, rest the left wrist, walk back, bend forward, keep the left arm absolutely straight, quickly bend and twist to grasp the left ankle from right palm. Both legs straight. Feel the shoulder joints, the upper chest, upper arms. Slowly come up and walk back. Similarly, you can do the sideways stretch. Rest the right wrist. Let's keep the chair to your right side first. Raise the right wrist. Then move sideways so that you keep the right arm absolutely straight. Then flex the right knee as much as possible. Then feel the stretch. Slowly come up and striking the legs. One more time. Flex the knee, but do not flex the elbows. That is the key. Keep the arms absolutely straight. Then straighten the knee. So all these movements will also help the complete upper arm and the forearms. Keep the chair to your left. Rest the left wrist on the chair. Bend forward and move sideways so that the left arm is absolutely straight. Now flex the knee, keeping the left arm absolutely straight. Breathe slow and steady. Slowly straighten the knee. One more time. Inhale, exhale, back. Elbow straight. Then again straighten the knee. Then slowly come up. Similarly, the extension also could be tried. The extension of the shoulder joint. Hold the chair, walk a little forward, foot about 6 inches apart, well open the chest. Now flex the knee. As much as possible. Then slowly straight. One more time, flex the knee. Then slowly come up. To increase the intensity of these movements, we now try all these movements in the supine position. But you have to lie on your chest. Head towards the chair. Stretch the toes back. Position the chair appropriately and rest the wrist on the bottom ribs of the chair. You can push the chair so as to straighten both the arms and then relax the neck. Now flex the arms. Pull the chair a little closer and now rest the wrist on the seat of the chair, arm straight, press the palm, then relax the neck. It's also good to stretch the toes back and tighten the calf muscles. Arms stretch, neck relaxed. These shoulder movements also helps the neck muscles because shoulder and neck are really interconnected. Watch the junction of the shoulder and the upper back. Now relax the arms. If this is comfortable, then you can hold a little more higher. Raise both arms. Maybe hold the middle region. Arms straight. Then flex the neck. So both arms straight. As you move the arms higher up, the pectoral muscles also get a good stretch. That is, the muscles of the chest cavity and the muscles of the ribs, they also get a nice stretch. Slowly bring the arms down. So shoulder joints, the increase in the range should be done in a gradual, systematic way. If this is also comfortable, then you can hold the top of the chair and arms stretch, neck relax. So the chair will have a tendency to get up like this, but you have to press so that the front legs do not get out the floor. Arms straight, neck relax. So feel the shoulder complex, the upper chest, the base of the neck, do not hold the breath. Breathe consciously, slow inhalation, slow exhalation. If this height is beyond your range or it is inducing a lot of pain, then you have to cut down the heights to which you can raise the arms to a comfortable level and then slowly graduate to increase the movement. But don't hurry through the postures. Understand your joints and then you have to slowly train them. Slowly bring both arms down. Then relax. Slowly get up. Now we look at the sideward movement, for which you keep the chair so that it will be on your right side. Then lie down sideways. Stretch the right arm. You ensure that the right arm, trunk and legs, they're all in the same straight line. Arm straight. There is the left hand fingertips to position properly. Once you are confident, you can stretch the left arm on the trunk and the thighs. To increase the range of motion, now rest the right wrist on the bottom rib of the chair. Right arm straight. But ensure that right arm, trunk, legs, they're all in the same line. Use the left hand to get stability in the posture. Once you feel confident, take the left hand up. Right arm absolutely straight. Now flex the right elbow, chain. Just lie on your left side. Or stretch your left arm. Align the trunk and legs properly. Now rest the wrist on the bottom rib of the chair. Use the right hand to get the position properly. Left hand straight. Then take the right arm up. Flex the left arm. Again, lie down sideways with the right arm down. Once you are comfortable with the level of the lower rib, you can pull the chair a little closer so that you can rest the right wrist on the seat of the chair. Press the right palm. Press the left hand fingertips on the floor to get a stable position. Right arm straight. Feel the stretch. If you are confident enough, you can take out the left hand and stretch it up. Right elbow absolutely straight. Feel the root of the shoulder joint. Now flex the right elbow. So these movements will also impart a lot of loading on the shoulder joint. So they help both flexibility and strength of these joints. Now change side. On your left side, rest the left wrist on the seat of the chair, on the edge of the chair, and press the left palm from right hand fingertips. Align the trunk and get that stable position. Transfer the weight carefully onto the shoulder joint. If you are confident, you can stretch the right arm on top of the thigh. Left elbow absolutely straight. Flex the left elbow. Especially these sideward movements. One has to be very careful while doing, while increasing the range of motion. Don't be in a hurry. Now if this level is also comfortable, you can hold it out of the chair. So lay on your right side, hold the top of the chair, use the left hand fingertips to get proper position, then push the shoulder joint from the trunk, right elbow absolutely straight. Once you are comfortable with the stability of the posture, you can stretch the left hand up. Here also do not allow the front legs of the chair to get off the floor. Take left hand down, release the right hand, chain. On your left side, hold it out of the chair from right hand fingertips, position the trunk and legs properly. Push the shoulder down, left elbow straight. If possible and if you are confident, stretch the right arm on the thigh. Take the right hand down, release the left arm, slowly get up. Now we look at the shoulder extension. We have seen some simple movements. We will do some more movements so as to increase the range of shoulder extension. This you have to sit on top of the chair, sit upright, or hold the seat of the chair, stretch both arms back and hold the seat of the chair, open the chest. Foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel to one another. Keeping the arms straight, take the hips down. This increases the range of extension of the shoulder joint. Chest up, navel up. Now slowly come up. And just relax the shoulder joint. The same thing can be further extended. That depends upon the kind of flexibility you have. Whether you can keep some blankets or pillows to suit your flexibility. Now hold the chair, open the chest, then sit in swastika. Elbow stretch. Open the shoulder joint. Especially these movements are very useful for the not only just the shoulder complex but also the chest cavity, especially the upper region. Because these modern days slouching of the shoulders, rather the drooping of shoulders and compression of the upper chest, leading to the thoracic outlet syndrome, where the compression of the brachial plexus nerve is common. This posture is of great significance. It gives a great relief to well open the chest. The shoulder blade should glide slightly down and closer to the spine. And slowly come up with a right. And if you are quite comfortable in the range of movement. You can do the same thing without the help of the additional blankets. You can sit straight on the mat. Well, the range of shoulder extension will further increase. Now slowly come up. Sit upright. Well, if this range is also comfortable, well, you can hold somewhere in the middle. Here, chest and navel up, then sit straight. But all these increasing range of movement should be done in a slow and systematic manner. So instead of all of a sudden increasing the range of motions, you can repeat with your comfortable range of motions. Slowly come up. So this have to be slowly trained. If only you are comfortable with this, then hold it out in the chair or repeat with whatever level is comfortable for you. Hold the topmost portion of the chair and sit. Flex the knee. If possible, come to Swastika. Then slowly get up, sit on the chair. So like this, we need to gradually train the shoulder complex. It's very important to have patience and perseverance, especially with shoulder joints, because they have a marvelous range of movements. But when it comes to stability, they are not so much blessed as our hip joint. Therefore, we need to exercise some caution in training these shoulder joints. And using a simple prop like a chair, which is generally available, we can keep the range of motion of the shoulder joints in a very healthy manner. Namaste.